So in this Microsoft Word tutorial video, I am going to be showing you guys how to create or how to add a footer inside of a Microsoft Word document here on your device. So once you have Word opened up, go to the top left, press on Insert located between Draw and Home. Once you're on the Insert tab, just go all the way to the right here to where it says Header, Footer, Page Number, etc. Press on the drop down right here to add a footer. Now what you actually have here is a whole bunch of different footers for you guys. So what you can actually do for this example, I'm just gonna go ahead here and add this my apologies, this footer right here. Let's go ahead and add this one, for example, this number one right here. Once that is done, you can go ahead and add whatever you want. So I'm just going to go ahead and type in the word footer, just like that, and there you go. Pretty self-explanatory, pretty simple. So here at the bottom it says footer, so you can go ahead and type in your document. This is my document, and if you were to scroll down to the bottom, the footer is right here. So pretty straightforward, pretty simple. This is how to create or how to add a footer here inside of Microsoft Word. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.